Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a review, first impressions, on these. This is going to be a whole video of me just saying, I love that. Okay, so I'm so excited. My package came, and this is why there is no eyeshadow or anything on, but just foundation. It looks a bit strange, I know. So it was so hard not opening this because it literally came about 20 minutes ago and I grabbed it and I was already turned at it, opening it, but then I decided to keep it for the video, which is what we're doing now. Let's get started. So let me see. Okay. So I'm opening it. I'm so excited. Okay, so little packaging. Oh my god. Like, this packaging is just beautiful. Yeah. Oh. Okay, I'll talk about these in a second whenever I open them all. So, eyelashes. I thought there was supposed to be 3. 2 pairs. Oh, yeah, there is 3, and they're all massive. I can't wait to wear them. Yeah, little bubble wrap. Put that box down. The exciting bit. That's a lot of bubble wrap. Oh, it even feels so nice. Oh, it feels so nice. I'm afraid of opening this. No, I don't want to. See if I've scraped this. So this one comes out. That's so pretty. And I love that the gold bit is just a nice little, yeah. And this is why I was like, oh, because it says at the back, love Keilidh, and yeah, that's cute. I like that. And oh my god, like, these look so pretty. Yeah, so I know in Keilidh's videos that it looks nice, so it does in her videos, but it looks bloody nicer in real person. Like, yeah, oh my god, that white looks unreal. It actually looks unreal. And the red, those two are the 2 colours that I've been looking for ages to actually find to see if they work. So first I'll go on with the eyelashes. They do come in 3. I've just placed them all together. So they do come in 3 individual boxes. That's what we like. And yeah, one is called Ego, Keilidh, and Black Heart. And they all are pretty massive. I think Ego looks like my type. I do. I'm going to wear them today. Today, right now. I'm putting them on. I'm going to open this. Because why not? Yes, so she even has on the inside the packaging too, which I like. And a little box over it. So then they're not getting squished with the packaging. That's good. That is smart. There's a lot that don't do that. And I can use this little tray to put all my other random mass eyelashes in, because they're all literally just sitting there like spiders. Yeah, I'm disgusting. I know. I know I look strange behind this plastic thing. But yeah, these look more like my kind of style. They are a bit smaller, but they're still fluffy, and yeah. They look so good. Well done. Like, that's all I can say. Well freaking done. I love brushes, and I'm not even joking. Like, the reason why I bought this stuff while drunk, because I was having a full-on discussion with Mark about Keilidh Mua, and yeah, yeah, he went to the toilet, came back, I already bought them, like, because we watched her video and she says about the small eye brushes and that's what she's made. And I was just like, I'm buying these small eye brushes. How long have I been saying I want small eye brushes for? Like, I have small eye brushes, but I mean, you just always need more. Is in a little, yeah. This is in a little plastic box, keeping them all pretty. And yeah, at the back of this is what I'm saying. I was wanting to keep this till the end. She has wrote in what to use them for. I love that, and I love the fact that it has the numbers on it. That's good. But I love that she's actually wrote in what they're used for. Like, that is what I like. That is attention to detail. Yeah. Yeah, and I know in her, ooh, what up, is scary? Ooh. That's class. Ah, okay, that is cool. That they stay in there too, like, whoopa, they're staying there. Like, that is handy. But yeah, I know in her video she said about just turning it around and then popping it in, and I love that. Like, I love that. I'm easily pleased, can you tell? But yeah, that's cool looking. That is cool. On to the brushes. I love this gold stuff and all, but I'm not going to be able to get them out though because they're so in there. Woo! Yes. Right. Let me see. So this is the SK01. I just love the feeling. So the SK01 is used for, it is the tapered highlighting, a fluffy brush perfect for highlighting the key points of your face. Oh yes. SK02 is a crease blender for packing on colour and seamlessly blending at the same time, suitable for every eye shape and size. And yes, it is. It feels so nice, and oh, okay. So, right, so just trying that out there, like, this is properly thought out. So going like this, it feels so fluffy, but then going like that, it feels a little bit harder, as in you're going to be able to actually pack that on. Whenever I read it packing on, felt it, I was like, I don't know about that, until I touched my eye, and like, she's smart. She is smart. I love that. So this is the SK03, a fluffy definer, a small tapered brush to target and perfect small areas. So yeah, I would more probably do that in there, you know, around the crease. But yeah, I don't think this is a brush that I'll use a lot of, but you never know. Now this looks more like a little bullet brush, and it's a wee bit harder but still soft. What are you doing to me? Yeah. So the SK04 is used for precise packing and blending. Yes, so this is a kind of brush that I would use for that. And it is called just the small bullet brush, as I mentioned. SK05, and this feels nice. It is a flat carving brush to cut, crease, pack of shadow and carve out brows. Okay, I think that was that packaging supposed to say pack on shadow? Pack off shadow? Yeah. Okay, so anyway, carve out brows. Okay, so I don't think I would use this for carving out my brows or the concealer, because I do actually prefer a big concealer brush, but this would be perfect for people with even smaller eyes or who like really precise. Maybe I could try it with a cut crease. Maybe. It'll make me better. The SK06, and that is a small packer for smudging out the lash line and packing on intense pigments. I like to use these little tiny brushes for glitter. It is the SK07, and she said it is a small detail brush, thin definer brush for a more precise application. Yeah, I would normally use this for lips, these little tiny brushes, but I don't know. I'll see what I can use with this for the eyes. But yeah, so they just pop back in like that. I'm just going to stick these all back in and go to the exciting thing, the palette. I'm joking, it's all exciting. Yeah, so put them back in there, keep them all pretty. I don't even want to use them, I'm afraid. Really nice. So put those brushes down for now. Now on to this bad boy, the shiny bad boy. It's so pretty. She gives you a nice little mirror on it because we all need it to look at ourselves. And yeah, let me see these. Like, they're so pretty. So pretty. Let me see, which would I say would be my favourite out of it. That black is like super black. Super black. But yeah, I'm thinking the most that I'll probably use is probably this one, Prophecy. Yeah, or Unruly. I would probably use those the most. Nope. Nope. Look at that. For once, there's something whiter than me. Too, which is beautiful. I don't really, this isn't my kind of thing.